Yo, 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 yo. What up, everybody? It's your favorite YouTuber here checking in from Samsonuk. And today, we're going to be changing the oil on our sweet motorbike. And we got our favorite assistant here, the one and only.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hi guys. Today we are going to change the oil for the motorbike. I mean Matthew will be the one changing it. It's just gonna be standing here like this.
She's the supervisor, the foreman, the boss. But most importantly, folks, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a lot of fun. And hopefully learn a thing or two in the process, because I've never done this before. Have you ever done this?
No, for me I think it's gonna be pretty, now from my understanding, changing the oil for the motorbike I think it's pretty difficult or complicated. So when Matthew told me that he want to change the oil by himself, I said okay, we'll see.
You kind of seem as though you had some doubts. Did you think I can't figure this one out?
I just know it's gonna be simple.
Oh, it's super simple. I watched a YouTube video. It was like 2.5 minutes and no volume, and I was like, this is too easy. All we need is toilet paper, oil, and a wrench, and the oil at the bucket. So yeah, with that said, oh, you already got the bucket set up. Okay.
Look at that.
So sweet. And now the first step is we're going to jack the bike up. So if my boss, could you please hold that? Thank you so much. Please don't hit me. Please don't yell.
I tried, but I couldn't pick.
Well, get it up?
Yes.
That's what she said. Bap nong krap. I kind of hit my shin there.
เจ็บไหม
It kind of hurt.
Let me see.
It's not bad, but
This?
right here.
Oh,
No, you can't.
right.
There's no mark, thankfully.
Okay. You know, I never know that we can change the oil for the motorbike by ourselves. I thought we're gonna have to bring the bike to the shop and change.
Not under my watch, honey.
Okay, we will see how easy is it.
That'll do. That'll do.
Remember, watching the videos is different when you actually doing it.
And apparently they recommend that you change it every 4,000 kilometers. Ironically enough, we just hit 4,000 this morning. So this will be perfect, hopefully.
Can you see it? You see it? Look at Momo! Momo!
There's a few screws under here.
That's it. That one?
I think it's that one.
That's too big. That's too big. Let's show the smaller ones. I think this one should be fit. Try this one.
Ay, ay, ay.
No one can fit เลยเหรอ
Yeah, none of them.
โอ้ เอาลองมึงเนาะได้ยักษ์โตบ่ได้บ่ตั้งไว้นี่เมื่อไหร่เสร็จด้วยแมทเห็นไหมสวยโม่ได้แมนบ่งัดมากกับมันเด้
That's too big เหรอ
Yeah, just barely too big.
What's the number of that one, the one we just used?
13.
12, it should be perfect.
Yeah.
We doesn't have 12, we have 10, 11, 13. Doesn't have 12.
Can we get... So,
ทางนี้ล่ะ
just so you guys understand, on camera, this is a socket wrench, obviously, but it's been welded to where it's past its usual days.
บนทางไหนล่ะนั่งจังแม่น
ทางนี้ทางขวาถึงแล้ว
น้ำมุนถึงนั้นมาเดี๋ยว
Got it?
ออกไป
Uh,
ออกไป
we're in business, Kinom.
Oh yeah.
ตรงไปได้พอเสียเอาไม่ได้ทำเครื่อง
Tap Tap say keep the oil for him.
Okay.
พ่อมาน่ะสูตรมันก็อยากย่างนี่สูตร
Okay.
มันเค็มมั้ย
มาเป็นเคียงตัว Wow. Wow.
All right, folks, the oil has officially stopped draining. So we're just gonna clean up under here real quick, and we're gonna put that bolt back in. The bank. Remember, guys, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty.
แล้วก็ไว้ใส่สูตรรถเท่าพอที่เคียงสูตรให้สูตรย่านครับมันขี่หมกปวดอยู่หัน
Ten.
That ain't coming off. Bank. Oh.
Is that simple?
Oh yeah, I'd say so. It's been simple now.
That's the oil.
Now, Dee, I know what you're thinking. How much oil do we put in? I don't know.
Me too.
We're just
I don't
gonna
know.
fill it up.
Yes. มันบ่ใช่หมดขวดเลยนะมันบ่
แมน
This is tip on keep the old oil.
That's good stuff.
It's that time.
It's that time. Let's take it home, honey.
Wow, that's look at the color.
Some good, nice, fine Honda synthetic stuff. Notice, everyone, we are being environmentally responsible. Bada bing, bada boom.
It's that simple.
Alright folks, on that note, we're going to close this video out. Hope you guys learned something. I know we did. Thank you for tuning in. I know this wasn't the most exciting video, but it was something. So, hope all is well. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and until next time. Bye-bye.